Hello everyone, and today we're going to be doing a JapanCrate. This is what US Postal looks like. And today we're going to be cutting it open with one of the sharpest things in the world. And just look at that power! He got tired.
Yeah, that's a tired kitty.
This box gets no respect from this point forward.
Nope.
Alright, so I guess the first thing would be the first thing out the box. Naruto would be proud. Ramen. And today this will be a Stoners episode. So while we enjoy our chips, we've got some bud I was given from a neighbor. And a moon rock I got from a dispensary. Yay.
And I helped.
So some friendly weed with some outer stellar rocks.
Take that. No, I'm kidding.
That's actually a pretty good taste.
Nice catch.
Hey, a marker fell over. Yeah, they look like Cheetos.
Yeah, pretty much.
But this has some spice to it.
It looks like the jalapeno cheddar.
Yeah.
Cheetos specifically.
Yeah, these have more spice to it than the trail mix you just recently bought. She does unboxings of other stuff on her channel, so if you want to know what trail mix, I gotta go look at that.
Or, on this channel.
Yeah, since you're putting it on there. Sorry, I'm straight up thinking about my channel. Alright, hold on. Ratings. I give it a 7. Because that has some good spice.
Fuck that. I give that an 8.5.
Alright,
The only problem I have with it is that the only flavor there is spice. That's my only complaint. Okay.
So show them this
There
shit.
you go. Does that look appetizing, guys? I have a feeling
I thought it'd
what
be
these are.
harder than that.
Oh yeah, you already showed them. Whatever.
That's not bad. Rather flavory. That was a good burst of flavor, but it dissolves real quickly.
Yeah.
Give that a 6. Reaching randomly into the
I would give it
bag.
a 7.
Big old bag of unicorn potato chips. A unicorn right there.
And then watch them be more like cookies.
Oh no, these are chips. I don't have to show you guys what a potato chip looks like. I need this weed. Not bad. Is
Yeah.
this what?
I'll give that a 2. Ew.
Is this what unicorn friendship tastes like? Not bad. Yeah, give it a 5. That's a potato chip. I don't know what the fuck it is. Gummy. Looks like a prune. It's soft. Ugh. What the fuck is that? Ugh. One. This tastes like shit. Why would you do that to me? Ooh. Like these. These are those little fucking patties. They're like marshmallows.
By the way, at the end of the video, we're going to be looking through this and making sure that we got everything that was in the box. Just to be sure, because it was messed up when we got it.
Yeah. Our cats are being brats. Not bad. It's marshmallow strawberry cream.
Mm-hmm.
Give that a 6.
They did improve it, though. Because the one that we had before, it was like a little ball that was in the center, but this one seems to be more spread out.
Oh, yeah.
So, I do gotta say that. And for that, I will give it a 7. It's a cola candy.
Do you want to just give me that for later?
Yep.
She hates cola candy. Just take that.
I like cola gummies. I don't like cola hard candy. And gum.
There's no avoiding it unless there's something else in there. Had to make sure I didn't hit a cat. Alright, you can go through there and see while I look at this. Alright, fill it with that. We have water. Then voila, it becomes solid. Alright. See, I'm glad they put pictures on these. Because if they didn't, us Americans would be lost. We'd just be scooping this shit into our mouths raw. Oh, this is going to be entertaining. See, apparently I'm supposed to take this blue scoop and scoop out some fizz shit and put water into it, but put the string through it first so that it looks like I caught fish.
We are missing 3 things from this box.
What are we missing?
We are missing Hinoboro, which is supposed to be a sweet potato snack that melts in your mouth. There is the Mochito strawberry, which it is supposed to be a rice cake with a strawberry filling. In that one, there was supposed to be 2. And then Sono Mama Peach, which was supposed to be 3 round-shaped peach gumballs.
You best believe the thumbnail or the label to this video is going to be, we got robbed.
Oh, yeah.
Or we were stolen from or something like that.
Yeah, we gotta think of something good.
Because we have been cheated. Someone has gone through our mail and retaped it. And that was professional tape, too.
Yeah, so it was probably somebody that actually worked there. Stuff probably fell out or something. I don't know.
I have a feeling that first one isn't going to work because, that wasn't in there well enough. That second one definitely isn't, but I'm just going to pull it out anyway. Fuck it. Yeah, this isn't too bad. It's just sugar water. It's just hard sugar water.
I'm trying to think of what I would even rate it.
Give
Because
it
it
a
really
5.
doesn't deserve a rating.
Yeah. Too much work for not that good of a candy.
I give it a 1.
Nah. Alright, mine is the chips. Need my chips.
Nigga, that was gonna be my pick.
That's your favorite thing?
Yeah.
This is my favorite thing, though.
I'll take the Dissolve-Doos.
I mean, I'll obviously share the chips.
Well, there's not much to choose from since we were fucking cheated.
Yeah. Alright, guys, we'll, hopefully, if you guys know who we can report to, we should report to the post office, if we should report to, JapanCrate themselves, let us know.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.